Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add transitions in iMovie application. In order to add transitions between your clips on iMovie, the first thing to do is to open up your iMovie application from your mobile devices. Now, open up the project where you want to add transitions or create a new project and add a media clip you want to edit from your device's camera roll. After selecting the media, click on the Create button at the bottom. You will then be able to add your media on the timeline that you've selected. Now, you will be able to see a little transition kind of a thing in between the video clips that you've selected. These transitions are the visual effects that bridge the gap between two different video clips or multiple video clips. To add another transition, simply tap on the transition icon between two different clips, which will then open up several menus on the screen. Browse through the available transitions and tap on them to select one of the transition effects. After you make your necessary edit, you can then click on the Done button and play your video. And that is how you can easily add transitions between clips using iMovie. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.